Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure prerequisites are complete. Update Watch OS and the paired iPhone and confirm backups exist. Once done, remove power-hungry watch faces and choose a minimal one. This reduces CPU spikes. Next, enable low power mode and set display brightness near 50% so the screen doesn't dominate battery use. Make sure background app refresh is limited for watch apps. These initial steps create the baseline savings you'll build on in the next phase. Now you go deeper. Disable Always On Display if your model has it. This alone cuts drain significantly. Then, trim notifications to Essentials and mirror only needed alerts from the iPhone. Fewer wake events means longer runtime. Also evaluate sensors. Turn off cellular when you don't need it, and consider disabling wrist detection in specific scenarios. Make sure to check background app activity in settings. Prevent apps from running unchecked, because cumulative background tasks are a common hidden battery drain. Finish by adopting charging habits. Partial charges during the day and a nightly top-up keep the battery healthy without frequent full cycles. If you store the watch long-term, leave it near 50% and in a cool place to slow chemical aging. Finally, if you still see abnormal drain, force restart, unpair and repair, or reinstall Watch OS. These steps often clear software issues. If that fails, try the one troubleshooting tip. Contact Apple support or visit a service center to check battery health and replacement options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.